I've ever swallowed. But hearing your shrieks and seeing you bent all out of shape makes this shit as sweet as strawberry jam!
You know the kind of hunters a devil fears most? Ones with a few screws loose and no screw.
But I've no intent of going private at all. And I'm taking your almond tofu.
Fine. I'll trade it for a cigarette. If Aki actually fights the gun devil, his death's a guarantee. Not because we aren't strong enough to take it on, or because that monster is capable of killing hundreds in an instant. It's because Aki's cool, and serious, and kind, and normal like most people.
It is done.
But this guy right here...
Dude, Eureka! Fountains of blood explode from you with every slice. I chug it like it's soda and I'm good as new. I could do this for fucking ever! With such a dope concept, that Nobel Prize is mine!
His screws aren't just loose. They fell out. He might really be able to kill that damn gun. Aki, you didn't die on me, did ya?
No, not yet. How long have we been stuck here anyway?
Since you got stabbed, it's been about 3 days, I think. It's all but over, so let's grab some drinks when we get out. For now, I'm gonna grab a little shut-eye.
It's really over?
I can't take any more pain.
This is my heart. Here go my weakness.
Hurry up and kill me.
What? You're quitting already? I was having fun splashing around this bloodbath like a kid in a pool! We made it. Walking away with a piece of the gun devil. The sky's clear. Feels like I just took a giant shit or something. Floating on air with every step.
Easy. He's out. I'd be wiped too if I fought for 3 days without sleep. They need a hospital stat, so we'll make sure that they both get to one. You two head back to the office and report what went down.
Newbie welcome party, huh?
Yep. The members of Division 4 should get to know each other. We're a fully assembled group, so let's tackle our latest fix while bonding as a team.
What fix?
Haven't you heard? Arai and Kobani have said they're gonna ditch public safety. Not only are they more petrified of devils than ever, they've got a bucket load of guilt for trying to kill their teammate, too.
For a minute, you were also on Team Kill Denji.
Right? They're sensitive enough to quit over the
Water.
That's weird. Why is Denji here? This is my place, silly boy. You might be here because I brought you. I'm not sure.
The room's spinning. The hell's going on? Dude, I'm so dizzy.
want to do it?